Well, hello there, and welcome to Adventures with Nubby Nails. Nail art fun that can even work on those of us with little stubby nubs for nails. This nail design is based on a Halloween crown thing that I wore one year. I found it lying around and I'm like, hey, you know what? That needs to be on my nails. But before I can do anything, I have to clean up these monstrosities, also known as my nails. Notice my thumb. I slammed it into something, and I was actually trying to grow out my nails for once because they're always really short, but that didn't last very long, so here we are. So I took my nail file and proceeded to shape up my thumb, and then I had to shape up my other fingers as well to try to make things more even and equal. I then added some cuticle remover and pushed back those nasty cutes. And yes, it did take longer than you see here, and a lot more effort, but y'all don't want to see that, so we're gonna move on. To help keep my cuticles hydrated, I added cuticle oil, and then after waiting a bit, I put on rubbing alcohol on my nail beds to dehydrate them. Now they're ready for a long-lasting base coat that I worked super hard not to make sloppy. Okie schmokels, we're finally ready to add some gold nail polish. Mine has a bit of holographic glitters in it. To help it last, you want to wrap the tips, so I flipped over my hand and pulled back the skin a bit so that it wouldn't get on my skin. I decided to add 2 coats to make sure it was fully covered. I'm going to be adding tape and such, so I decided to add quick dry top coat to help them dry faster and not get ruined by the tape. And after watching several YouTube videos to give my nails enough time to dry, I was able to add vinyls so that I wouldn't have to draw anything by hand because I have some shaky hands. Then I added striping tape, and I'm going to be completely honest with you, it took forever for me to get the tape on the right way. I have no idea how other YouTube nail artists make it look so easy because I was struggling. After about 15 to 20 minutes of trying to figure this out, I was able to finally paint the black nail polish. And I made sure to pull the tape and vinyls off right after painting so that it wouldn't get all crusty and weird looking. Using 100% acetone and a brush I got from Halo Taco, I was able to clean up those messes I left. To make the crystals on the crown, I decided to use holographic flaky nail polish that I have, and to help dry out some of the liquid, I put it on the paper towel I'm using for my background. I tried to do this with a dotting tool, but I'm wondering if it would have been easier to use a brush to make these little circles, but too late now. Oh, and let me tell you, the cleanup after this took forever, and it didn't fully clean up the gold and the black around my other fingers. This just happened to be the cleanest finger, and it wasn't until I took a shower the next day that I was able to officially get all this crusty crap off my nail. So there's a hack for you. Take a shower and it'll look professional. After letting it dry, I added quick dry top coat. Actually, I added 2 layers of it so that it wouldn't be bumpy. And there you have it, a new nail art idea based on a golden crown thingy. And I think it came out pretty cute. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you feel like it, and leave a comment on any nubby nail suggestions you might have. And with that, I'm out of here. Peace!